In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can import local files to your Spotify music library. Importing local files to your Spotify library allows you to access all your favorite music in one place, making it convenient to listen to both streamed tracks and your personal collections seamlessly. To do this, simply head into your Spotify. On your homepage, tap onto your profile icon and head into your settings and privacy. On your settings page, navigate to the very bottom and select on this option of local files. Make sure to enable this option of show audio files from this device. All your local audio files will get transferred to your Spotify account automatically. You can also create a playlist including all your local files. It ensures that you have access to your entire music library, including rare or unreleased tracks that might not be available on streaming services. That's how easy it is to add local files to your Spotify account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.